Hello guys, welcome to It's Possible, a channel which aims to encourage things for our very own subscribers. Today's tip or trick that I'm going to teach is how to remove files containing virus, or how to remove the auto files that will be coming from the pen drive or any other sort of backups devices that you take it from your friend and directly use it in your PC, and all those files will directly delete all the things in your PC and may cause any harmful damage. So in order to prevent this, you can use command prompt, which is available in Windows for free, and let me just teach you once how to do this. What you all have to do is open command prompt in administrator. I'm again repeating it, you have to open it as administrator mode. Yeah, after opening this, what you have to do is okay, let me just insert my pen drive. Yeah, you can see here I have inserted my pen drive. I'm not going to open it. Whatever I'm going to do is all through the command prompt. You have to enter the disk partition command. Once you do this, yeah, it will show your computer's name, and this partition mode will be turned on, and under disk partition you should enter the command as list volume. Once you do this, whatever drives are there in your computer, whether it is a backup storage or the main storage like ROM, you get every details of it. After that, find which is the pen drive or things that you have used as a backup device and you have plugged it in your PC. Here, this is the F drive, HP's pen drive that I have inserted in my PC. An easy trick for this is, if you're using a pen drive or something, the space in the pen drive will be low compared to the space which are available in your hard disk or SSD. So the 14 GB size, by this you can get to know that this is the pen drive that you have inserted, and also it is removable. This is another trick to find whether this is your pen drive or not. This is it. Let me just exit from the disk partition. I have found my pen drive. It will show leaving disk part, and then leaving disk part, and again it comes to this one. Now you have recognized this as an F drive, so all you have to do is F and a colon. It turns to F drive setup, and here you have to use the attribute command. It is simple: attrib space -s space -h space asterisk dot asterisk space. You have to use a slash s space /d. Yeah, this command is now working in the background. Now type directory. You have to find the directory. So the directory command is dir and press enter. Now you get the files which are there in the directory, the pen drive. You can find the names of the files, and this is the file that I'm talking of. Virus containing files will normally be with the extension .bat, and yes, this is the file that will be harming your PC. So you can delete this right away before opening the pen drive's window in your PC, so that you can avoid the automatic running of files in your PC, and it can be stopped. You cannot they cannot delete any files in a PC. This is how you have to do it. Let me just open my pen drive and show it how it gets deleted automatically. This PC. Yeah, you can see this. There is this Dell Auto. It is a Windows batch file. I will be splitting my screen to show you how it is. Yeah, you can see it correctly here. I will be opening. I'll be using the del command, del or delete command. Delete. You have to just copy this. Control C, and you have to paste this. Once you do this, just be watching, guys. I will be hitting an enter key here. The Dell Auto file will automatically be deleted. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it got deleted. This is how you can remove the files which are harmful before using your backup devices like a pen drive. That's it, guys. Yeah, this is my channel. It's possible. I really need your support, so please watch my videos and subscribe to my channel for getting tips and tricks which no other people can get it early as you if you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.